Hi everyone, welcome back to Saqib TechHub. In this video, we will talk about how to install YouTube as an app in your laptop or PC. First of all, open your favorite browser. I am now open Chrome. Then search for YouTube. After this, you see my YouTube is open in Chrome. Then click on three dots. Scroll down. Here you see cast, share, save and share. You can create shortcut of YouTube and you also save as an app. So I am now click on save pages. Open your favorite folder and save the YouTube file. So I hope this video will be very helpful for you.